Hello everyone, welcome back to TechBro. What if I told you that you could create horror stories, bedtime stories, Islamic or Christian stories, history lessons, and even science stories for kids, all turned into professional animated videos in just a few clicks? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this using a powerful tool called MooTion.com. And the best part, you don't need any editing skills or special equipment. The link is right there in the description. So let's dive in and see how it works. To get started, click on the link in the description and sign up for an account. Once you log in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. Here, you'll notice a variety of options such as general creation, record to video, faceless short videos, history for kids, science for kids, bedtime stories, Islamic stories, horror stories, and many others. Now let's try out one of the features. For this example, I'll go with the faceless short videos option. This feature allows you to create faceless short videos that you can easily upload to YouTube and even monetize to earn money online. To begin, I'll enter a prompt. You can either use the built-in suggestions or write your own custom content. For example, I'll type in a topic. Once your topic is added, the next step is to select the output language and tone, then choose an avatar and set the aspect ratio. After that, pick your preferred visual style. You can go for photorealistic, picture book, 3D cartoon, cinematic, and many more. When you're ready, hit the next button and then click on the Generate button to start creating your video. After a short while, the storyboard will appear. Here, you'll see all the scenes displayed with their dialogues. Scene 1, Scene 2, and so on. By default, each scene contains a picture. If you want to bring them to life, you can simply click on the Animate button. There's also an option to add a custom prompt to guide the animation further. Once done, press OK, and the tool will start animating your video. You can choose to animate each scene one by one, but if you want to save time, just click the Animate All button. This will automatically animate every scene at once. It may take a little while, so be patient. Once finished, you'll be able to preview your video. Next, click the Next button again, and here you can fine-tune your video with additional settings such as titles, subtitles, effects, scene effects, transitions, voiceovers, and more. You can also add background music if you'd like. Once you're happy with everything, hit the Compose button, and the system will begin generating the voiceover and final video. When the rendering is complete, you can preview your finished video.
1. Start with clear goals. Focus drives motivation. 2. Break tasks into smaller, manageable steps. 3. Celebrate small victories regularly. 4. Surround yourself with positive influences. 5. Practice mindfulness to enhance focus.
As you can see, the video is ready to go, and I can now upload it straight to my YouTube channel without any hassle. That's the result of using this tool. But that's not all. You can also create different types of story videos with MooTion.com, such as horror stories, bedtime stories, Islamic stories, Christian stories, and many more. Let's try another example together. This time, I'll create a bedtime story. First, I'll enter the story text. Again, you can either write your own text or use an existing one. After entering the story, you'll need to choose the language, avatar, aspect ratio, and visual style. For this example, I'll go with the cinematic style. Then, I'll click the Generate button, and MooTion.com will start creating the content. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see all the scenes with their dialogues. If you're not satisfied, you can simply regenerate them. And again, you have the option to add animation. I'll add animation here, and once it's applied, let's preview the result. As you can see, the animation has been successfully added. Now, I'll hit the next button, and this takes me to the final customization options. Here, I can adjust titles, subtitles, thumbnails, scene effects, scene transitions, voiceovers, and much more. Once everything is set up, I'll press the Compose button, and it will begin generating the complete video. And just like that, our bedtime story video is ready.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little town surrounded by rolling green hills, there lived a boy named Timmy who loved his teddy bear more than anything in the world. Timmy's teddy bear, called Mr. Fluff, was soft, cuddly, and always made him feel safe and happy. One sunny morning, Timmy woke up and realized Mr. Fluff was missing.
With MooTion.com, you can quickly and easily create all kinds of story videos in just a few simple steps. The link is available in the description below, so make sure to try it out for yourself. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.